Hi guys, I think it's lockdown day. I don't know which day it is, and I think at this point we've all lost count of it, but whatever it is, welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm going to do a get ready with me lockdown edition, and I hope you like it. So let's get started. So let me put you somewhere and we'll get started. So yeah, I think you're fixed. Wait. So we'll start with the makeup part first. Now I like to use minimum products. ऐसा नहीं कि I'm gonna do like a full face of makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna put so many things on my face. No, nothing like that. First of all, I'm gonna use no foundation and no concealer. Nah, we're not gonna do this. Shit, I thought it broke. Oh my god. I just had a mini heart attack. Oh god, I'm so scared. I just threw that bottle and it was about to hit the floor. Thank god it's saved. अभी तो कुछ खरीद भी नहीं सकते. So it's alright. We're back to it. So I'm not gonna use any foundation, concealer, no like base products because personally I think this is the best time to let my skin breathe. और obviously lockdown, quarantine, घर के अंदर तो कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Guys, I was telling you कि मेरा foundation was about to break. So ये यहाँ पे just रुका हुआ है, एक थोड़ा सा और आगे और ये नीचे गिरता है and it broke down. So I'm so thankful and that this did not break. So this is the foundation I like to use if you want to know. This is in 120 Classic Ivory. Now the first product that I'm actually gonna use is an eyebrow pencil. Here I've got a couple of products अभी makeup करने के लिए. तो eyebrow pencil I really like using because 2 मिनट लगते हैं and it just brings a huge difference in your face. आपके face को आपकी this mess situation को वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही कर देता है. So I'll do my brow first. So I'm gonna use this pencil from Innisfree. This is my second product. मतलब second pencil मैंने एक already ख़त्म कर चुकी है. I really like using this, but now I think after this gets over, I'm gonna experiment. So if you have any eyebrow pencil recommendation for me, then do leave it in the comment section because I think now it's time for a change. So I'll just quickly do it. मैंने अपनी काफ़ी वीडियोस में I have explained how to do it, so you can check it them out. For this is not like a full tutorial. I'm just showing you what I do every day. Not even every day, but when I'm in the mood for it. So here I've got this clear mascara. We're done with the brows now, and now the next step is gonna be kajal. Are you also one of those people जो अगर काजल ना लगाए तो बीमार लगते हैं? I think I am one of those people. We're done with kajal and I think the next step is gonna be mascara. Okay, so let's apply a little mascara. Mascara opens up your eyes और काफ़ी अच्छा से effect आता है. Now the next step, I really like doing this sometimes, not every time, but today I'm in the mood for it. I just like to take a little highlighter and apply it on the inner corners of my eye and in the brow bone. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है ये look and I do it like quite a lot of times. And today also I'm gonna do it. So just take some of it. You can use a tiny little brush for it, but you got. Yesterday I think I was planning some videos for May, I think this coming month कि मैं क्या upload करूँगी and all that, and I think I have some cool video ideas, so make sure you have subscribed for all that. And also I wanted to ask you if you have any video requests or some videos that you want me to do, especially for like fashion wise, is there any styling thing or कुछ lookbooks चाहिए or any video in general. मतलब if there is something that you want to see on this channel or you want me to do video on any specific topic, then tell me in the comment section. Come there, let's chat. And also do tell me how's your lockdown going and what all are you doing to keep yourself entertained. आपने कुछ नई hobby start करी, you've started learning something new, like what's your routine. I think that's enough, and now we're gonna put on some blush. और blush के लिए I don't like using a typical powder blush that I own. I just like to take maybe a lip balm और मैं उसको अपने लिप्स में लगाती हूँ, and I sometimes apply it on my cheeks too. और I have these very creamy lipsticks. These are almost like lip creams or something. और ये बहुत creamy है. And they are perfect for when you're inside the house because they transfer very easily और बहुत जल्दी हट जाती हैं. Their staying power is not much, so I like to use them inside the house क्योंकि काफ़ी moisturizing से रहती हैं. So it's almost like a lip balm. I don't know, someone got this for me from I think Thailand or something, or कुछ वहीं का brand था, so I don't know. I don't have any information on these. So here I've got this nice red shade. I just like to take some of it ऐसे अपने हाथ पे यहाँ पे, and I'll just use my hands to apply it on my cheeks. काफ़ी natural सा as you can see blush हुआ है, and it looks so cute. Now this is what it looks like. Also update on the acne situation if you want. तो pimples काफ़ी ज़्यादा कम हो चुके हैं, but the scarring is still there. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my DIY mask video that I made, because I told you about these acne spots, pimples that I'm having right now. So I am using this product. I think it's Requel. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Requel Pit Stop Gel or something. That product works like magic. It especially if you have acne scarring or something, so you have to apply it रात को या फिर दोनों time whenever you want to over your scars, and actually it works. So I am applying it in these, and the pimples are already gone almost, but the scarring is still there. But yeah, now coming back to the topic, I'm done with my blush. Now for my lipstick, I'll again, abhi bhi ye bacha hua tha, I'll just take it and apply it like a lip tint or like a lip balm. Even if you want to put like a non-tinted lip balm, just make sure your lips are always moisturized, because chapped lips are a no-no. And we are done with our makeup. So this is my all natural, very subtle makeup look that I like to do. Now we'll move on to our hair. So for hair, I rarely like using heat on it. So मैं video shoot कर रही हूँ तभी I'll just sometimes straighten it. Sometimes I don't even do that, because I think थोड़ा सा heat कम ही use करना is better for it, especially after I've colored it. I'm just gonna comb them because मैं थोड़ी देर पहले shower लेके आई थी and I did not even run a brush through them. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा था, just left it to air dry, and I think it's almost dry now. So I'll just comb my hair. And I like to sometimes apply a skin like a serum or something on my hair, but sadly, okay, now a quick story time. So I am out of almost all my skincare products. I am so sad about it. मेरा ये सब होने से पहले ही I was like on the last of हर चीज़, and I thought कि हर चीज़ साथ में finish होने देती हूँ. Then I put a huge order, ऑफिस सब आ जाएगा, and then this happened. फिर lockdown हो गया. So it is such a, I know it's not like the end of the world or something, but I have almost nothing with me. मेरा serum खत्म हो गया, मेरी eye cream खत्म हो गई. I think I have moisturizer, but हाँ moisturizer है मेरे पास, but that is my winter one, and I have like oily skin. Summers में मेरी skin बहुत oily होती है, and that is too heavy on my face. But I am उससे काम चला रही हूँ, and some toner left, but वो भी I think अगले एक हफ्ते में ख़त्म होने वाला है. तो I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'm just waiting कि कुछ हो जाए ऑनलाइन. I'll just put an order. अभी तो शायद साइट्स बंद है, नाइका भी बंद है. So yeah, if that is happening with you also right now, तो comment section में आओ, अपने दुख बांटते. So yeah, that is something that's happening. So I don't have my hair serum also, वो भी ख़त्म हो चुका है. So today I actually applied that Mamaearth का I think onion hair mask or something on my hair, and it feels smooth. People were raving about it so much, तो मुझे भी लगा कि काफ़ी डिफरेंस आएगा, बट इतना डिफरेंस तो नहीं आया मेरे बालों में. हाँ, वो स्मूथ बहुत ज़्यादा कर देता है मेरे बाल, बट आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ हेयर ग्रोथ या फिर हेयर थिकनिंग, अगर ये सब चीज़ों में तो मुझे कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं लगा. So this is what my makeup looks like right now, close up से. I think it looks so natural and so good. This is my go-to makeup look for summers, for everyday. So अगर आप college जाते हो, आप office जाते हो, just for your everyday life, you can use this makeup look. I think it's so cute and takes like 5 minutes, I think. So yeah, if you recreate this, then do send me your pictures. We'll decide our outfit and we'll go to our closet. So if you haven't already seen my closet tour, I've done it. यहाँ पे कहीं पे आपको आ जाएगा आई बटन में, और I'll link it in the description bar too, so you can check it out also. I've also done an entire process of me cleaning out everything. So now let's just see. So welcome to my closet. I think it's been a few days since we've cleaned it, और अभी भी काफ़ी अच्छी हालत में है. I've tried to keep it like not mess it up. So I think I'm gonna wear a jogger today. And now let me just find a t-shirt for this and I'll show you my outfit. For my accessories, I'll be wearing my rings. I wear them every day. So these are both my rings. And then I'll put on these studs because ये सबसे सही होता है घर के लिए. And lastly, I'll put on a bracelet. I really like putting dainty minimal pieces like this. This is the final look. Oh, I forgot to wear the shoes. Wait. And this is the final look. So I'm wearing again the same joggers, t-shirt, these shoes because इसमें से colorful से जो yellow orange lines हैं goes well with the t-shirt, and then a yellow scrunchie.
Eyes glow like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. Movement she anticipates, a sight is set on her prey. Like stars in the darkest night, crystallize, fascinate. If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away.
This is the final outfit, hair and makeup. So I did not do anything much. As you can see, मैंने काफ़ी comfortable सा रखा था सब कुछ. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Please, अगर आपने अभी भी subscribe नहीं करा है तो please कर लो. Subscribe to my channel, share my channel with all your friends. Now I think I'm just gonna sit on my desk and edit this video because I have nothing else to do, or maybe watch a movie. Let's see what I end up doing. So I hope you like this video. If you want me to do more videos like these, then tell me in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, stay safe and stay indoors. Bye.